Today, I want to talk about engineering. Engineering is building systems, software, or structures from scratch. Like it can be manufacturing a car, or coding a software, or building 1,000 feet buildings. But in all those things, we need maintenance. No one likes check engine light in their cars, right? And that's why there's a term called build and forget in engineering. The goal is to minimize the servicing, updates, or repairs to maintain systems or machines. So, for example, currently they are trying to make electric cars with almost zero maintenance. But that's not gonna happen because something is gonna break apart or some parts will have defects from the factory. We will still need mechanics to fix things. However, Allah creates the nature maintenance free. Like we don't have any servicing or updates in the forests or wildlife, right? So that's the goal we are trying to achieve. Like we are trying to mimic the nature so that we will go maintenance free in our systems or software or structures. But unfortunately, that can't be happen because man-made things needs maintenance or servicing or repairs. Anyways, building a business is also like engineering. You start something from scratch, you are trying to solve its problems, grow it, so that it becomes self-sufficient. I mean, it will still require some attention or efforts from you, but over time, it will require less and less maintenance from you. For example, this is me when I started my online business in 2020. Here you can see I was doing packaging, engraving, customer service, all by myself. All the workload was on me. However, in 2 years, I started to hire team members to offload some of the work like engraving or customer service. And eventually, I offloaded all possible work to have this workshop. Now I only focused on inventory, keeping the inventory, and growing the sales. As you can see, I tried to apply the same principle, build and forget principle, to have more time for other opportunities.